Alright, so in this video, I will show you Fortnite optimization that actually works in Fortnite. So if you find this video helpful in any way, I would really appreciate it if you could like the video and even subscribe for more content like this. I hope these tips help as much as they did for me. Now let's get right into it. First up, a simple yet effective tip is to use full screen mode. Playing at full screen gives the application full control over the display, which can provide better FPS and less input lag than windowed mode. It gives you the least amount of input delay, so use it. Next is to cap your frame rate. Some people might leave it unlimited for higher FPS, but when you have a higher FPS, your GPU has to work harder, which can cause it to overheat. Capping your FPS reduces the GPU's consumption, which leads to less heat and fewer problems. Experiment with different graphical settings until you find the right balance for a stable frame rate. Next step is disable VSync. Head over to Settings, then the Video Settings and find the VSync option and turn it off. VSync in simple terms is a feature that syncs the refresh rate of your monitor with the frame rate of a GPU, but this feature doesn't work well in Fortnite. Disabling these can significantly improve FPS and reduce screen tearing. Next, lowering graphic settings. Not only it boosts FPS, but it also decreases input latency, making your gameplay more responsive. And if you're in a low-end PC, you should be using performance mode because it gives you the best FPS and competitive advantage. Next, NVIDIA Reflex Low Latency. Consider turning on NVIDIA Reflex. Reflex Low Latency mode aligns game engine work to complete just in time for rendering, eliminating the GPU render queue and reducing CPU back pressure in GPU-intensive scenes. This feature is designed to reduce system latency, giving you a competitive advantage. Next, enable game mode. Hit the Windows key, then go to Settings, then Gaming. Then you will see game mode and turn it on. This minimizes background processes, prioritizing your game for smoother performance. Next, performance plan. Hit the Windows key and type power plan like so and then click Edit Power Plan. On Change Advanced Power Settings, you will notice that on default, the Balanced Power Plan is active. Instead, you want to choose High Performance Power Plan, which will boost FPS. Don't forget to click Apply and then OK. Last but not least, ensure your drivers are up to date. Regularly updating your graphics drivers can unlock performance improvements and fix compatibility issues, which should improve performance. With all that sorted out, those are the optimizations that actually work. If this vid helped you out, hit the like and subscribe button. Till next time, peace!